This is SP Zavalkar, and now we are learning punctuation in English. Friends, I have already taught you 8 punctuation mark in English grammar. But today we are taking very small and interesting test which you will like too much. And it's very simple. Join the pairs of punctuation marks and their names. Okay. First is comma. Search. Comma means like this. Search where comma is written. Comma. What is second? Second is simple dot. So that is full stop. Here full stop. Then here and like this means inverted comma is there. So inverted commas, where it is? This. Inverted commas. Then small comma and one dot. What it is? It is semicolon. Where semicolon? Here. Then two vertical dots. That is colon. Then this is very simple. Question mark. Question mark. Or may be called as a interrogative sign. Here it is. Then I said that one vertical line and one dot, that is exclamatory sign or mark of exclamation. Exclamation. So here. Then there are the two horizontal lines. One is small and one is big. Which is big? That is dash. Dash is here. And the small is hyphen. Here, hyphen. In this manner, this test you can complete at your home with your own practice, own study. Okay. Now I'll write only 2-3 things here. So out of these, which punctuation mark we should put there? Here. I eat mango. Mrs. Mr. SP Zavalkar. See, in these 4 statements, which sign we must have to put? Of course, first is assertive sentence, declarative sentence. So it ends with full stop. Here we must have to give the small dot. That is full stop. MRS. It is short form of Mrs. Abbreviated form of Mrs. Whenever the abbreviated form comes, it ends with full stop, means small dot. Mr. M-I-S, long form we have not written. We have written only MR. So put here small dot, mean full stop. SP Zavalkar. This is initial. S for Sampath. P for Parazine. I have not written SAMPAT. I have written abbreviated form of Sampat, that is S, my initial. So here full stop, full stop. So where we can use the full stop, where we must have to use the full stop, that's what we have learned today, and tomorrow we will learn a remaining punctuation mark, where and how they to be used. Thank you. Have a great day.